Hello, my name is Prajakta Yadav. I am a student of Britsang Training Center. Today I am going to discuss a non-technical topic about thoughts on internet. So let's start with the topic. The internet has fundamentally transformed how we communicate, work, learn and live, having both positive and negative impacts on society. Here are some key thoughts on the internet. Connectivity and globalization. The internet connects people across the world, fostering global communication and collaboration. It has played a significant role in globalization, allowing businesses to reach international markets, enabling cultural exchange, and supporting remote work. Social media platform. Social media platforms, emails, and video conferencing tools have made it easier to maintain relationships, collaborate on projects, and stay informed about global events. Access to information. The internet has democratized access to information. It provides an abundance of resources for education, research, entertainment, and personal development. However, the vast amount of information can sometimes be overwhelming, and there is also the challenge of misinformation and fake news spreading rapidly online. Economic opportunities. The internet has created new business models and opportunities for entrepreneurs. E commerce, freelancing, and digital marketing are just a few areas that have grown exponentially. The gig economy, supported by platforms like Uber, TaskRabbit, and Fuel, has changed the way people work and earn income, providing flexibility but also raising concerns about the job security and workers' rights. Social impact. The internet has reshaped how people interact socially, both positively and negatively. Social media has helped people connect their lives and build communities, but it has also led to issues such as cyberbullying, addiction, and the spread of unrealistic standards. Online activism and social movements have flourished, empowering people to speak out and advocate for change, but there are also concerns about privacy and data security. Learning and innovation. The internet has revolutionized education by making online learning platforms, research databases, and open source materials widely available. It has enabled people to learn new skills and advance their careers from anywhere in the world. Privacy and security. One of the major concerns with the internet is the protection of personal privacy and data. Cybersecurity threats, hacking, identity theft, and privacy violations are prevalent. Users often trade their personal data for free access to services, and there are growing calls for stronger regulation to ensure that companies protect user data and respect privacy. Mental health and well being. While the internet provides opportunities for support and connection, excessive use, especially of social media, can negatively impact mental health. Issues like loneliness, anxiety, depression can be exacerbated by online interactions. The internet can create unrealistic expectations or FOMO, fear of missing out, which can contribute to feelings of inadequacy or dissatisfaction. Environmental impact. The internet, while invisible, requires a significant infrastructure, data centers, servers, and communication networks, all of which consume a large amount of energy. As the digital world expands, so does its carbon footprint. Efforts, efforts to make the internet more energy efficient and sustainable are growing, but the environmental cost of widespread digital activity remains a concern. The future of internet. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and the internet of things are set to further transform how we use the internet. These technologies promise to create more immersive, personalized experiences but also raise questions about data ownership, security, and the role of atomization on our lives. The ongoing development of 5G networks promises to increase internet speeds and connectivity, further enhancing the potential for innovation and global communication. The internet is one of the most powerful tools ever created, with the potential to drive both positive and negative changes in society. As we continue to integrate the internet into every aspect of our lives, it will be essential to address its challenges such as privacy, security, mental health, while harnessing its capabilities to connect, educate, and innovate. Responsible use and regulation of internet will be crucial in ensuring its benefits are maximized while minimizing its drawbacks. So today we discussed about the thoughts on internet. Thank you for listening.